the water is going through these discs and getting cleaned out. Do we have a disc we could show on?
We do have a disc. Welcome to 2023 AHR show, and we're at the Miller Leaman booth. Want to give you a little demo on the Turbo-Disc. Plus we have all of our other products here, our Thompson strainers, our ultrafiltration, our Helix filters, and our RO filters. But at this time, I'm going to give you a demo of the Turbo-Disc backflushing. So right here, we have the particles that spin around into the disc stack. So think of this as maybe your side stream of your cooling tower, cleaning up that water in your cooling tower. And we're going to go through a backflush. Tony, you ready for the backflush?
Let's hit it.
All right. I'm going to jump over here real quick. We'll get
so
you
this would be a dirty representative of a dirty water going through, swirling around the filter, and now we're going to clean the water, basically, right? Okay.
Correct. And it's going to go through its automatic backflush through pressure differential, timer, or manual override. Here we go.
Hit it. So the water is going through these discs and getting cleaned out. Do we have a disc we could show on?
The disc stack's right here. Different color micron, different colors of the disc. And you have the grooves of the disc, filters from the outside in,
through there, and filter.
polishing the water, cleaning it up, taking all the organics and non-organics, sending it downstream back into your cooling tower through maybe a sweeper system, and then flushing out due to pressure differential, timer, or manual override. The Turbo-Disc.
Main use of this product.
Side stream on cooling towers. You can also go full flow if you would like, but mostly side stream on a cooling tower. Uses a fraction of the backflush water of any other filtration system out there. It also, key is removing the organics and the non-organics, where a lot of different types of filtration systems only remove the non-organics. This is going to take out the organic growth in your cooling tower.
Very low backflush.
Very little amount of water backflushing. A 300 GPN backflushes 36 gallons of water. Keeps everything very balanced in that cooling tower.
Where are these made?
They are made in Daytona Beach, Florida.
Made in the USA.
There you go, made in the USA. Our strainers, all of our products are made down there in Daytona Beach. Please give us a call.
Awesome, David.
Thanks, Tony. Yep.
Forward shot of this thing while it's off.
There you go.